Can I get a federal firearms license working from my home? And if I do I give up my rights? In most cases, you can get a federal firearms license working from home, especially gunsmithing, because you're not going to have lots of traffic coming by and it's not a full-on gun store. So as long as you can get a legal business license working out of your home, you can get a federal firearms license working out of your home. And I would say that the majority of gunsmiths are working from home very successfully. So it's something to look into. If you can't get a license from your home, then check into getting a commercial address, which doesn't have to be big and expensive. You only need about a 10 by 20 space to be doing gunsmithing. And if you find more room than that, great. But you don't need to spend a fortune on your space. The other thing you can do is work with a local gun shop. A lot of times they'll have some extra space and you can set up a gunsmithing business separate from their business, but under the same roof. And you'd each have your own individual licenses. So there's a number of different ways you can go. But yes, you can get a federal firearms license from home. And no, you don't give up all your rights. When you fill out the paperwork exactly as we show you how, and we provide every professional gunsmithing student a full package, application package with instructions on how to go about it. And you do not give up your rights because you're going to list the hours of your operation. Those, unless you're doing something illegal, which we're telling you don't ever do, you list your hours of operation on the application. And those are the only hours of operation of which they can come in and inspect you. So list your hours. Those are the hours they can come in and inspect you. And after hours, that is your own privacy. You also can keep your firearms collection separate from your gunsmithing or federal firearms inventory. You want to keep them separate. It's very clear on how to do that, and you don't give up any rights.